Coordinating Committee for Crisis Resolution co-convener Sotinkumar asserted that ignoring people's voice is akin to a state without democratic government. The statement was made during a press conference held at Irabad Bhavan, BT Road today. Speaking further, Sotinkumar urged the state leaders to discuss about the ongoing conflict, which has persisted for almost 2 years during the upcoming Manipur Legislative Assembly session. He also urged the government to facilitate the safe return of around 60,000 internally displaced persons to their own homes who fled their homes due to the ongoing conflict.
Chief Minister Sri Biren Sindokpa Pam Kangu Singhi Group Amadi Mabu Sindokpa Pam Group Sing Nakan Ani Fugai Bagi Maduda Center Ki Mati Lorka dan Satlingaksi Sri Biren Lito Sarkar Leheningba Mablu Tony was Funda Sing Lance the Satagre Sri Kari will get the game Lebas Lebasi Kari will get the game Moy Karagi Hamuna Bagi Maduna Kana Lobagi Lebaki Lantu Tobugi Sri Lepaksi Mayam Sava Lepaksi Machet Kaya about Chatabas, Basha Communist Party now. They are big day. Other Pena, Tanzaniti, Hay, the Huda Assembly said, Manipuri Susan view, a good center the Taxalakanda, massive political dialogue, political solution. Amaporkana Manipuri territorial integrity said, not nobody upon me, Sakam, not of one of the young what if they are lower Kanda Assembly said, see Pambio. No sense of Tongji, other than a Pom Nabagi, Madame no and Togo. Was it Lance Elephant day at it? Other Paros are not to Minna. They send another satellite, but Yaroi, the Communist Party, but Madonna, a tomata the cookie, narco terrorists, Kambusil Landari said, Masi, Kutatala Nepalo, the Warisano.